Hi friends, today we are going to experimentally study. Let's go. This is our MOSFET trainer kit made by Frontline Electronics. I am opening it here. Initially switch on the power supply. Here our device MOSFET, which consists of gate, source and drain terminal, and our circuit diagram is designed here, and control parameters are designed here in this trainer kit, which contain display unit and control units. Initially, in this MOSFET, we can take transfer characteristics and output characteristics. Initially, I take output characteristics by varying VG. Initially, fix this VGS value to 5 volt. Set VGS to approximately 3.5. Then vary the VDS. And take the output characteristic reading, whereas we can see that for various gate voltage I kept 3.30. Initially my barrier not getting open, so my drain current is not conducting. After certain value my drain current will start conduct. Then we move to plot transfer characteristics. For transfer characteristics of MOSFET, we have plotted for different values. You can see the difference. This plot is drain current versus gate source voltage. We have plotted for various values from 1.10 to 10.60. You can see the difference for various gate values, various drain voltage value. We have obtained various graphs. Like that you draw in graph sheet. Okay friends, finally I thank you all for watching this video. If any queries, please drop it down in comment box and don't forget to subscribe us.